on how I handle the oil trading, okay? So I want to be clear with that, full disclosure, and I always show to my guys in the room. I will always tell you when I go either short or long my oil, where do I put the orders? The orders are just sitting on the ladder, and that's how I trade, especially futures, oil, and ES. Even the EMini, you see me just placing orders left and right. And if I'm scalping oil, like this morning was great for scalping. Scalping 10, 15, 10, 15, 10, 15 ticks. Today has been great. I think I should have reversed my 60s, not the 58s, excuse me, because they came to the point of control, right? If you look at the market today, we have one single at 52. We left one single at 52 on oil today. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Right now, currently, we are trying to print that 71, okay? Trying to print the 71. And as long as we print it, that's good. When we print that, we go to the extremes, right? You and I, we take the extremes. 29 again on that EMini. Where is my stuff? There you go. All right, guys, thank you for coming to our YouTube live. Got a couple of things, small commercial before we start the day. Running a special right now on our premium services, live from 9 until 11:30ish daily, with a private feed, capturing about 10 points on the ES, only for $99 a month. That gives you access to the Twitter feed, as well as access for live screen share plus pre-market trading. Come join us. If you guys are interested, go to the website, eslive8.com. All right, enough commercials. Let's talk about the markets. Oil, EMini, S&P 500. Couple of things happening this morning. Market opening right on the 35 and a quarter. Overnight inventory, neutral to long. Why do I say neutral? Because when I see the point of control from overnight sitting at the same place as my previous day, that tells me this is probably a nowhere to go, no man's land play for the following day. Having said that, this morning, hold on, before I do that, full disclosure, I am about to go short 71s on oil, and I don't want to miss this trade. This is a quick scalp that I will do on oil. That is based on pure order flow. I have some orders here at 70, 80. They are about to grab those. I just scratched one trade on my oil when short, 65. I scratched it too early at 68. I took a bit of a beating, 10 ticks. It's not a beating, excuse me. 10 ticks hit on that. And now they came to this 53 and they reverse it completely. So my trade is, even though the dollar is going up today, oil's trying to grab that 71, and you see the orders sitting on the book about 175 at 71, and then I have on oil 71.20. So it's a small fade. Look at 71.25 already lining up on oil. So the idea is to go and grab at least 10 to 20 ticks on this oil trade. Either you get it at 71 and a quarter, or you go short at 71 even. Now, why am I fading this move? This is one of the extremes that I play on oil daily, multiple times throughout the day. I will go and look at the extremes. If you look currently, the value, and I'll place this on my market profile, currently value being developed on oil above that 70.50. Yesterday morning, as we were closing here the room on YouTube, those of you, we got some news, I think, from regarding the sanctions on Iran. And I did mention to you guys the fact that a couple of orders on mine were sitting at 69 even. They got executed. I got an alert on my phone. I ran to my office to see what the hell was going on, because when I closed the room, we were sitting here on 70.30. So you don't see a $1.30 drop just because on oil. There has to be something related to the news. And indeed, there were some news. So I got long there. My guys in the room, I believe I told them, hey guys, we have some singles. And those singles, we closed them with edge period. And one edge period when inside the previous day range, right? Once we opened that 69.50, it was game over, and we settled with oil at 70.30, right at the same spot. Right at the same spot. So today, what I'm looking for is just to fade this move right on the 71.20s back to value. The move is to grab, let me put that stop there and move this a little bit just for you to see it. I'm going to place an order. I want to capture at least $1, right, on this move, or 50 cents, whatever I can capture out of it. But have your stop very tight. You don't want this thing to run too much against you. Dollar index is strong today, and some commercial paper coming on board. Not a lot this morning on oil. Looking good. Trying to go into this 71 range all morning. For a minute, I thought these guys were going to just fade a couple of times since Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, then Wednesday overnight. We've been fading those 65s. So I did follow the same theme today. And that's why you saw me taking a small hit of about 10, 15 ticks here, right? When they came down right now to the 68 again, I did get out. I closed my trade, scratched it. I lost like 3 ticks. And I really missed the move back up, because I told the guys, these guys might go back up to the 71. So I missed my long. So right now my only move is to trade my short and see if we will fade this back to the value. Coming to this 71.16, right? And then fade back to value towards the end of the day. We are one-time framing. I do understand the fact that we are one-time framing. Again, this will be a small short. I'm not going full with 3 lots. Instead, I am going only with 1 lot. And this will be my trade for the morning. The rest of the morning maybe on oil. EMini sitting right at 29, excuse me. Let's go back to the EMini for a minute. So EMini game plan for this morning, all right? The game plan for my guys this morning was pretty simple. We put it on the room. Let me show you guys exactly. We have it on our private tweet feed, and let's see. So here was the trade plan for this morning. Any open above the 35, we will start looking for those. There goes 26, guys, on EMini. All right. So 26 coming on board below, right? Any pullback below 34, any pullback below the 34, we were going to look for 32s, 30, and 26. Every single one of these targets has been achieved so far on that EMini. We just got that 26. I believe my order got executed. The long order that I have, I'm going to go back, full disclosure on that. I had an order at 26. Let me see if they filled that order or not on my Interactive Broker account, and I'll display it to you guys. I did have one at 26. I didn't get filled, guys. I just checked. They did not fill my order. So still waiting. But anyways, I have an order to go long for the reversal on 26 back to 32s. Okay, back to 32s. This could be the extension for the EMini at the C period. We were just talking with my guys in the room about that. So if you would like to join us and get access to all these plans that we just give my guys early in the morning, we execute a couple of trades. Hey, your 20 minutes are over. That's right. Your 20 minutes are over. Bubble, did you get that, or you're out already? So anyways, those of you here on YouTube trying to get access to this stuff, this is what we did. 37 to 32. We got about 4 handles on that. And then we did a bunch of live trades. Let me take you to our private Discord. This is private only to premium members. And look what we did this morning. my guys in the room. All right, let me go back to the private room here. There you have it. Long 2650. There you go. Omar, you're long 2650. Good job. I think mine did not get executed. I don't know why, because we printed 2575 and I have an order sitting at 26, guys. Anyways, what did we do? So far, what have we done? Bunch of my guys closing orders, opening orders as we were dropping from 37 to 32. I got that order. Some of my guys got 3 dropping below the 34. Then we were still printing some money. I think some guys got that 37 to 34 as well. Some of the members coming online with their trades. So good trading today so far. I got about 7 to 9 ticks, 9 points, excuse me. I did one that went against me pre-market. You see it right here. I lost 2 points pre-market trade that I was doing with my guys live in the room. So far, I have printed about 5 lots only. And I'm going to execute one trade here live. I'm going to place an order to go long this 26 and a quarter. Tight stop, 3 points, stop, 4 points reward. I want to move my reward back to 32, which is the bottom of the wedge. Explaining to my guys this morning how the 1 minute, actually not the one, I think it was the 5 minutes, don't recall. But how this morning we were waiting to get out of the wedge. Yeah, plain and simple, right? Our target was the overnight low. Our target was the previous point of control from yesterday, which was around 30. And yeah, some of my guys, I mean, they shorted those 33s. They shorted some 34s. I was short off the 37 off the top all the way to that 32 and a quarter. I think I got out somewhere around here. And now I'm looking for my longs, right? Very tight stop. Looking for that long to go back up to that 32 and collect those 5 points. Very slow market today, being a Friday. I think everyone is putting the bets on NQ, trying to hit 14,000. We are also monitoring the NQs. NQs trying to print 4,000. So we'll see if that 4,000 is going to come around or not today. But looking pretty decent so far. Nice move of the low. They just filled my order, 26.75 long. Let me go back at it. Yes, I think they just filled it. And the move is to get this order back into the 32s, right? That's what we should be looking for the EMini S&P 500. Right, let's go to the market profile. Let me get this out of the way. There are only 2 things that are going to happen. Is the trade is going to work or not, right? That's all you need to have in your mind. That's why I have the stops, always. That's why I have my stops. So what is the next move here for these guys? 20 minutes are over. Oh, you stop a break even on your long. Okay. All right, Bubble. Yeah, waiting for 22, man. I want the 22s. I really would like to get those 22s, which is the previous day open. I don't know if we're going to get them. I want them to go back up to those 32s before anything. So here is the initial balance for today, first hour of trading. They stopped right at the previous day settle. Look at the initial balance stopping right at the previous day settle. Now, if we go back inside the initial balance, the move will go back to the point of control. This is a developing point of control. All right, back at 32s. So we have a very tight stop on our trading. Don't get more than 2 ticks. Very slow market. I was looking at the ladder this morning with my guys, and we see these orders coming online, back and forth, back and forth. So again, be aware of everything you're doing in the market. Okay, so I'm gonna open the room for questions. I have no voice, guys. I mean, I've been sick for a couple of days. And my throat is almost gone. Any questions on Twitter, you guys let me know. Not a lot happening today. Oil's trying. Oil is trying to break that 80. Oil is just trying to break that 80. No buyers. I see no buyers, guys. See no buyers. I might scratch this sucker. Let me go back to my ladder. No buyers. No buyers online. Back at 27. They're trying. Let's see if we're going to get it back up to that 32. Collect 4 or 5 points on it. Push it, baby. Push, 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 push. All right. We have, see these 25s. This is what I want to reload. All right. Singles are 31. Yes. So we have those singles. Yes, sir. Thank you. Good catch. I love it. Good job, man. Yes, we do have some singles. Yep. There are 2 ticks only, right? 2 little beautiful ticks right there, just sitting, waiting for us at 31. Yes, sir. What is my chart properties? There you have it. Singles sitting right at 31. So I'm going to have a very tight stop on this thing. Don't give too much room, guys. If you guys cannot afford that one lot, one lot, 1 point or 2 points, some retail traders, close it. Guys, there is one thing that I have learned is, and that's from a book that I was reading back in the days, and I was just talking to a friend of mine yesterday. All you have to do every day when you come into the market is do one good trade, then one good trade, and then one good trade. That comes from the book called One Good Trade. If the trade is not working, get out. There is nothing wrong. You didn't do anything wrong. The trade is not working. Get out. Come back. Look at the market again and get on. Get on board. All right? Get on board. So one good trade, that's all we need, and then another good trade. Look at them holding this 26. They are about to tag the overnight low. So what is about to happen? What is about to happen is they're going to run stops. Okay? Look at the previous day open. I've been talking about that 22 with bubble all morning. All right? So what is about to happen is they're going to flush this inventory. They're going to run over some stops. I will go long once again at those 23s and take 8, 9 points back to those singles. Okay? That's exactly what is about to happen. And you need to be aware at all times, what is the market telling you? Where do they want to go? And you just follow that money. I'm gonna put that in the YouTube right now. Hold on. I just read something from one of my members. So, better for your condition. Every time you do a faulty trade, you do 20 push-ups. Yes, I'm gonna close my trade at 26 and a quarter. This thing is not going. All right. Closing that 26 and a quarter, done. I lost 3 ticks on this move. All right. I got filled 27. I'm out. 26 and a quarter. Forget it. This thing is not working. Buyers are not here. Let's wait for 22s. Yeah, either you get rich or you get buff. I like that one. Let me find a nice push-ups here. Some bubble push-ups. Let's see. There you have it. This is perfect one. There you go. You either get rich or you get buff like this guy that we just put on the screen. That is perfect, guys. All right, guys. I'm out. Sitting on my hands, SOH. Currently, SOH. No trades on. All right? No trades on my EMini. What is my baby oil doing? Come on, baby oil. Where are you at? Oh, look at them. They're trying to come for that 71. Come on, baby. Go grab it. Please grab that sucker. All right, guys. So this is how much fun we have with my guys in the premium services. Those of you here on YouTube for the first time, we just enjoy our trading, our setups, and we take them. They work. Some of them they don't. It's part of life of trading. Welcome to the life of a prop desk, right? That's your life. 26 and a quarter. 26 and a, I'll place an order right here. buy those 23s, 50s, in case they flush this inventory. And here is my child at 31, right on the singles. I want to go long. And there is my stop. All right, there is my stop. You know, this thing, I changed the colors. I saw, but I'll do that later. But yeah, there you have it. Waiting for that long. Let's see if they're going to get me this extension to the 23s. Go grab them. I'm going to have the ladder on immediately. See, what are we looking for? EMini. Right at 26, my order sitting at 23. Let's see if they're going to come and attack this baby. All right, man, come on. It's just 1 point. Just get it going. Yep. There you have it. All right, 26.50. God, it's like we're falling asleep. I'm trying to keep my eyes open, guys. Oil, 87. Oil, 87. Come on, push. And then fade away, baby. Just fade away and comes to that 30, 70, 30, or 70 even. We can capture $1,000 before the end of the day. No buyers, no sellers. Look at the tempo of the structure today. Very important to pay attention to the tempo of the market. Something that I learned with Jim, and he nailed it to my head multiple times, even through emails. Always pay attention to the tempo. What is the market doing? All right? Always pay attention to it. Very slow buying. Now trying to go back inside. Look at this. They are trying. They just did. They are trying to go back inside the initial balance. Check this out. Because this is about to happen live. Even though I don't have a trade on. But this is a very good structure. Look at them coming inside the initial balance. Right where the mouse is. I will highlight that area right now. They are trying to come back inside that initial balance. And look at them, how they will test it again. How will they test this 28 and then maybe give us a squeeze back to those 31s? I do not have a trade on. All right, I did a scratch mine minus 3 ticks or minus 1 point. I don't even know. Here is the test. They went inside the initial balance. Let's see if they're going to tag the value area low, the developing value area low. And there is the fail. Look at the failure inside the balance. And there they come to tag the bottom again. This time we will go for that 22. Right? This time they will go for that, excuse me, not 22, 25 and a quarter, which is the overnight low. Excellent video on market profile structure. All right? I will probably look at the recording of this video. It is about 11 a.m. in the morning. For those of you who will be taking that intensive with me in September. Again, another try. Look at the next try going back inside the initial balance. Buyers are stepping in. Some buyers are stepping in. Nope. Sellers dumping everything on top of them. When you know market profile really well, I used to have a trader here called, what's his name? Was it Jason or Peter? From Nicaragua. He was so good at this, but he was scalping for 3 or 4 ticks. I don't know if he ever got a job as a prop desk junior, but he was so freaking excellent. He would do these things just looking at the ladder. Look at the ladder, right? If you see the ladder right here, this is what you want to see. These orders, right? Look how they are attacking, lifting the offers again. Look at them. Look at them coming at 28 inside them. He would short, I'm pretty sure he would short this already, looking for the move back to 27. The same failure that we saw minutes ago. And there you have it. He would probably be short this 28 and a quarter for 3 or 4 ticks. 1 point and he would throw 10 lots on it. It was crazy seeing him trade. I saw him trade one day with me. I couldn't keep up. But he was so excellent at order flow. Amazing guy. I'm gonna give him a call one of these days. He's still in Nicaragua, I believe. I saw the other day his feed on Instagram. He was, I believe, in Dubai having fun. Amazing guy. But look how many times we have failed. How many times we have failed going inside that initial balance, right? That's what you want to see. The volume is not there. I'm looking at the volume and I don't see a lot of volume. Like 35 just got executed. 12 hitting the offers now. Let's see if these guys are gonna bring it to 27.75. 27.75, reloading. Here it goes. Long again, and you stop a break even. I won 5 points. Yeah, me too, man. I won 5 points, but look at the structure, right? On the order flow. These guys are just killing these retail traders here. There's 27 and a quarter, 27 and a quarter, right? Hitting the bid. Now, look at the buyer stepping in right here. He's going to step in right at 27 even. Nope, he lifted. Excuse me. $27 and a quarter. This is telling me they are trapping these buyers. We might see this 22. They are trapping these guys. They are getting trapped here. And for that, I always go to my footprint sometimes, and I will be looking at this setup. Not a lot. Look at this amount of volume traded so far. But there is the 27 even. Right? Look at the 27 even. Yeah, 27. There goes. Delta start to looking okay. Trying to turn the deltas around. 27 and a quarter again. Let's go back to my handy dandy profile here. 27s. Let's see if these 26 are going to come on board. Some days are just like these guys where the market does not move. All right. Nasdaq failing once again. So they trap all those 28s, right? All those 28s, they got trapped trying to follow along the initial balance. Exited at one point. Bubble trader. Good job, Bubble. So my guys are still trading, right? Even though I'm in the room live, some of my guys, they are still trading, right? They're still going at it. Pure order flow, pure reading the market, pure market profile. But yeah. 26 and a quarter. We haven't tagged that overnight low yet. And my order is sitting right at 23. I want to see them flush and then come back up to 31. And there will be my 8 points for the day. 8, 9, 10 points for the day. And you can be scalping. If you're a scalper for 1 point, my God, this is paradise. You go in with 3 lots, you get 150 or whatever the hell it is. There you go. D period just open. Check it out. Check how D period open. And D, it is 11 a.m. D period, it's going to give us that extension to these 23s, maybe 21s, whatever. There it goes, a poor law, right? Poor structure right now on the EMini. We just have a double bottom right here. This thing flushes. We might flush to that 21. Let me just grab this 22 and a quarter, be with these guys. I want to be with these guys right here. 287s, 259s. I want to be with these guys going long. Somebody say that the oil hit 71. No. We're still one time framing on oil, and we have a bunch of singles on oil as well. All right, they are hitting. Look at the bid. Look at the bid coming online, guys. There's an orders right here. They are buying those 26. They are buying those 26. We have singles. I'm going to mark them down on my oil. And I think I have a single right here, A and B period on oil. Have my order to sell these 71s. And I have my order on my order screen to sell 71s and a quarter. All right, they're buying those 71s. Let me get rid of this. So you guys see this poor low right at 25, one tick or two ticks above the overnight high. Two ticks above that overnight high. Right? There was the plan for today. Executing. It's all about that execution. Right? 42, 30, 26. That's where we are currently. And then that 22 and 15, that's the only thing that is waiting for my plan. Worst case, I go long here. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But I know what the plan is, 15s, and I'll reverse it. But I missed that 28 short, big time. I have it, but the thing is with that, Omar, I'm going to go back to you on that, Omar. Do you have it on yours, Omar? On? You know that on mine, the problem is the lines comes on every other singles. I might have my settings wrong. I used to have it though, but thank you so much for that. Yes. Okay, good. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, that's great, man. I think I have them on my other one. Let me show you. I think I have them on one of my setups. Where is my other setup where the singles are coming on board? I think you're absolutely right. Let me show you. Where is my setup from yesterday? Where are you? Did I close? Oh, there it is. Hold on. Let me show you, Omar. Thank you so much. But yes. Where are you? Is this the one? No. This is the one? This is the one. Maximize. There you go. There I have the singles there as well. Yep. Yeah, I have the singles here. Yeah. Singles. Thank you so much. Yeah, I have them. I do not have them on my other setup. I might have taken them off by mistake, but yeah, thank you. Usually, when I mark stuff on my charts, guys, there is a reason behind it. There you have it. Boom. Overnight, gone. Poor low is gone. They are about to fill my order at 22. Hit me on 22, and I'll be happy for the day. Take the trade and let it go back all the way to 31. Those will be my 10 points. So far, we've been, even though we haven't seen it a lot, right? But we've been one-time framing, yeah? And remember, what did I said today pre-market, right? That 40, the 40 number that we saw yesterday, that 42, how the market's been falling right here at this 40. Yesterday, we fell at the 42 afternoon pullback. Today, again, that overnight sitting at 39, and we keep falling. Everybody's putting their money on NQ trying to hit that that 14,000, excuse me. But guys, I think the market is telling us something, yeah? Even though we have, and remember, guys, you know what? Hold on, man. This is the wrong chart. I didn't realize this is the wrong chart. Give me 1 second. I don't want to show this to you guys. This has the wrong balances. This is what I want to show you. Right? What I want to show you is this. How do I get rid of this? Oh, I can get rid of the chart trade mode on. There you go. So you don't see the orders. The orders are on my ladder anyways. The value. So we talk about this in the morning. Value. Okay, we talk about it in the morning. Here is a 2-day, oops, wrong color. Here is a 2-day breakout, Friday and Monday. So we broke out of it. Then we start printing value higher. But every single day, even though the value, very important, pay attention, even though the value was here, look at what happened during the day. we went low first. Here we did it at the end of the day. I remember the reversal from Wednesday, okay? Here we did it at the end of the day, but we reversed. Even though we were printing value, we reversed. Yesterday, news related, whatever it was yesterday, after that report, we did have another flush, but look at the value. Excuse me. I moved this thing. Value is still printing higher. We are accepting prices at the higher range. So that tells you, yes, the market might give you these flushes of inventory where they just flush plain inventory and then come back online on value. Today's the first day since what? For the week that we will have, as of today, as of right now, overlapping value, right? As of right now, it looks like this value is going to overlap. It is 11 a.m. in the morning. I have no clue if that's going to happen or not, but we might have this overlapping value. So today is Friday, right? Well, what happened on Monday? Last week. This week, excuse me. Monday, we overlap. Today, we are doing it Thursday and Friday. So how about if Monday, we break out again, right? Monday, the NASDAQ give us 14,000. We will have the ES back at the 50s, just like that. So those are the nuances that I'm always looking in the markets. I'm looking for change, and I'm going with that change. I'm going to repeat again. I am looking for change in the market, and I am going with that change. That's where the money is flowing. Did anyone went long those 24s, whatever the heck we just print? I think we print 24. And now look, we're back at 28. Now the point of control just moved. Excuse me. We are right at the point of control. Yes, and we were just talking about value. Here is value from yesterday. And currently, here is the value for today, as of right now. Developing point of control just jumped to 27.75, which is the initial balance. We have singles at 31. You guys are aware of those singles at 31. So, kudos, man. Let me see if there any order got filled on my end. I don't know if I have one sitting here. No, I did not. But yeah, expect that, guys, for the rest of the day. Man, I have gotten over 69 calls. This morning. My phone is off. Everyone probably wishing me happy birthday. Bunch of friends. But yeah, my phone is off. I need to concentrate on trading the market with you guys and giving you everything I got. So going back to the move that we see out of it, we tagged that overnight low. That has been tagged. And now we're looking for that 31s. So let's see if this is going to come into play and give us the 71. There you go. Online 71 on oil. Are they going to squeeze these suckers to that 38? Let me look at my order. I have an order on my other account. Let me go quickly and see if this gets executed. I'll be happy. Danny, I just saw your email, your order. Let me see. Oil, just going, printing paper, oil. Guys, oil is really trying to squeeze this. Let me give you guys the look at the 71.10 and 71.26. Where is the oil? There you have it. We just printed 71.10, but they pulled those 71s. Look, they spoofed the market with these 71s 25. They're gone. So he's moving the orders, maybe. Where is it? Where is this guy? He pulled the orders. He pulled the orders. Did he put them at 50? Let me make sure. Yep, he moved them. So he moved these orders back to 45. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for this supply on oil and this supply on oil. 30 cents. Let me move my order. Go where the money is. I'll wait for your supply. We have singles. We closed some of them. We left still some open. We're still one time framing. I'm looking for that fade to give me about $1,000, 50 ticks, back to 70.81 from those 71.30s. Let me post it. Well, I don't need to post it, but I will give you guys the Crude setup. And this is just a fade. You know, I just fade them if they will only come back into value, right? And I'm looking at my ladder a lot of times. I'm looking at my setups. Crude setup, short in those 30s. And this is only a scalp. It's not a position trade, right? Not a position trade. I might get my $1,000 out of this thing. There you have it. Crude setup. I don't know if it's going to happen. I'm going to give you guys on the private feed right now as well. If I can find it. There you have it. Let's go back here. Okay. Let's post it for some of you guys. Done. All right. Setup is done. Order is in. All I got to do is wait. Nothing more. What's going on with the ES? Back at 27. Finding value here. My stop 65. Beautiful. Now let me go back to the EMini. They printed 71.19. Very nice move from oil, guys. This is such a great move. Looking at the perspective that we had last week, coming off those 70 mark. Yeah. Very nice, defined uptrend. Beautiful. Such a gorgeous thing. Gorgeous, gorgeous. We need a pullback. This one is the one that I was waiting for at 69. And now look at us now. 71. $2, $2,000, one lot. All right. Those of you who were here on YouTube yesterday and took advantage of that, kudos to those of you. Let's go back here. Squeeze these suckers back to 31. Just give me F period and G. Usually F and G is the one that gives me that small fade. 35, I want to be here with these guys. 45 is coming online as well. So how many times have we failed going inside the first hour of trading? I've been counting them based on my ladder, and I think we have failed like about 15 times already. Right? Let's see, what are we doing now? My order, man, 22s, nothing to do in that order. I'm going to leave it there. Overnight low is here, 25.25. I need to change these. Okay, I need to change that. And add a column. The other day, I think I added a column here. Label, what is my label? Label column. There you go. I'm going to add it. And I want to put it next to the price. There. There you have it. No. I'm going to add some stuff here later on. Scalpers on oil. Those of you scalping oil for 10 ticks. That 18 doesn't look that bad though. That 18 high of the day doesn't look that bad at all. As it's starting to fade back into this 70.83. Does not look bad. I want to capture 75. Let me see, 750. There you go. Point of control can migrate higher on oil. Right? The point of control, there is a good chance it's a developing point of control. It might migrate higher right around these 70, 80s for Monday books. Okay? We might jump this point of control. Once we start printing value here, I believe this value area also is going to move. This value probably is going to jump as well. Good chances is that the value will see it here. Right above that 760, we have some pretty healthy volume there. Let's see towards the end of the day. How is that going to play out? Well, guys, it is 11:16 in the morning. It has been quiet for us here in the room after the setups from early in the morning. I'm gonna have to let you guys go. It is my birthday, and I'm about to get drunk all day. So, happy birthday to me. Happy Friday to you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please, 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 please tell your loved ones that you love them. Have fun with them on the weekend. And I'll be seeing you guys Monday morning. All right? Same place, same time. I'm about to have a tons of fun with my guys. Take care, guys. Those of you here in YouTube, come check us out. Go visit